mugroxa 3 megapixel 2K indoor window camera. A security camera that you place by a window for surveillance. Motion detection, night vision, SD card storage, and more. Inside here you have a manual. Go over in detail. Your camera packaged. You get the brick. You get charging cable, hardware, stick-ons, magnetic, metal plate, stickers to run the leads, and for the window with a felt cushion. This is a camera, go over in detail, is a Velcro and loop system. Self-adhesive sticker goes on. You have the magnetic base that opens, that rotates, rubber feet. You have the reset on and off, and SDTF card slot, card not included. On the back is your USB-C plug-in and your speaker. A spare Velcro loop system is for another window, and stickers to plug in your cable. 3, 6, with up to 10 feet of cable, right angle. Plug into the back of the camera, left side, right side. A 5-volt port or the adapter to the 110 volt. When plugging in, the audible voice will speak to you how to set up. Open up the application, press home, follow the instructions.
Waiting for connection. Please configure the network according to the instructions.
Allow Bluetooth to connect. Add the device. Allow using the application.
Waiting for connection. Please configure the network according to the instructions.
Fill in your information.
Connecting. Please wait.
Add a memory card for additional information. As we set up the camera, we have here is a speaker to mute. We have here is the 2K to standard quality. We have here is a square that enables the full screen view. We have record, snapshot, and two-way talking. Allow the microphone to connect. Test 1. As you can hear the reverb. Hit the gear button. We have basic settings. Sound, name, flip the device, language, speaker volume, microphone volume, time record, day and night, automatic switching. Sensitivity level, day mode, night mode, and scheduled switching. Storage management for formatting the SD card. Record setting. We have a record button for 24-hour and alarm recording, audible video, and record quality of general, good, and very good. Intelligent alarm, open human detection alarm method of captured image, record video, and equipment alarm, a bell. Push notifications and advanced settings of smart trace, smart rule setting for human, message, notification, alarm, and sensitivity level. Smart rule setting, the warning line and warning area. We're able to come in here and put the line to different types of areas and restore back to the norm. And we'll set the camera up for daytime and nighttime. Those are the features of the camera. The front of the camera doesn't have any LED lights, and the SDXC card, optional, goes into the camera with a little bit of sticking out. So when closing up the case, the card will still be in there without any interference. And what we're going to do is place this by our window and looking out and showing you a daytime and nighttime shot and what the playback looks like. We have the camera hooked up, magnetic mount, screwed to the wall, adhered, or self-adhesive to the window with stickers wherever you want to put your camera. For daytime and nighttime, we'll show you what the video looks like. We have the video playing, show you what it looks like, live feed. A trace of green around the object of a human being when goes into the detection area. This is the evening shot as it's looking through the window. And we're going to give a playback of what it looks like later. With correctly setting up through the window detection, and this is what it looks like. So if you're looking for a security camera, surveillance camera to put on the window, stick on, this camera may be something that you're looking for indoor surveillance camera. Thank you for viewing. Check out the product if it's right for you and enjoy your product.